If you pay close attention to ingredients that we use in making the broiler feeds, you will notice that these ingredients contain high levels of proteins for the broilers to utilize for faster growth and weight gain. For example, soybean meal contains 44% crude protein, the sunflower cake contains 36% of crude protein, the wheat bran contains 15% of the crude protein, and the maize bran contains 10% of the same. But unfortunately, due to digestive inefficiencies, the broilers are unable to turn this crude protein efficiently into muscle, so as to gain even more weight. I have a solution for this, and in today's video I want to share with you how to make an organic treat that contains an enzyme called protease that will help your broilers digest proteins more efficiently to boost growth performance, weight gain, and ultimately increase the final weight. I will also give you the procedure to prepare this organic treat and the dosage that you're going to give to your broiler chicken. Make sure that you stick with me throughout the video so that you can be able to get the full information. But before we get into this video, kindly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification so that every time that I post another educative video, YouTube will alert you. Also, make sure to hit that like button and also the share button, because they help this video to be shown to more farmers so that they can be able to get this important information. You can also tell us where you are watching us from and leave your suggestion and questions in the comment section below. In our videos where we discuss about organic treats, in the comment sections, I have met people who are saying that they cannot be able to access these organic treats that we have discussed in these videos. But for this organic treat that contains this important enzyme called a protease, the ingredients required to make it are available in almost every locality. You will only need these three readily available ingredients. Number one is you will need a pineapple fruit. Number two, you're going to need a fish. And number three, it's molasses. But someone may ask, why are we using these ingredients? How are they going to help our broiler chicken? You see, for the pineapple fruit, it contains all types of nutrients, from energy to proteins, from minerals and also vitamins. But most importantly, we are using it due to its important compound called bromelain. Bromelain is an organic enzyme that helps to break down proteins into amino acids, which are utilized to build muscles and other key functions towards weight gain in broiler chicken. And for the fish, it is a very good source of protein. And for the molasses is a good energy source. But most importantly, in this preparation, it's going to help us in fermentation, because in production of this protease, we are going to need the fermentation process. Not only does this extract provide more nutrients to our broiler chickens, but also the ultimate goal is to produce an extract with these ingredients that contain a highly effective enzyme to break down proteins into utilizable form for more weight gain in our broiler chicken. The procedure to make this extract is very easy. If you have got all the three ingredients, that is the pineapple, the fish, and also the molasses, you are going now to take the pineapple and peel it. After peeling it, make sure that you cut it into smaller pieces, because in the next step, you are going now to put these pineapple slices into a blender and blend them. After blending the pineapple, you are going to take the fish and cut it into smaller pieces. Then you are going to put these pieces into the blender that contains the pineapple and add molasses and some water so that you can ease the blending process. Then you are going to blend all these ingredients together. The question you may be asking right now is, what amount of pineapple or the fish or the molasses are we going to use to make this important extract? The amounts of ingredients used should be in equal ratio of 1:1:1. This means that if you use 300 grams of pineapple, then you are going to use 300 grams of fish and 300 grams of molasses. Then after blending all this mixture together, you're going to empty it into a jar and tightly close this jar. Then you're going to ferment this mixture for 14 days. After 14 days, this mixture will have fermented, and now what remains is to strain out the juice or the extract. And this is the organic treat that contains the enzyme called protease that is going to help your broilers utilize more proteins for effective weight gain. The amount of ingredients used can be as much depending on the size of your flock. The most important thing is to make sure that they are in a ratio of 1:1:1. After now straining this extract out, make sure that you store it in a clean container. You're going to add 12 ml of the extract into each liter of broiler drinking water. Start supplementing this organic treat after the birds have reached 2 weeks. You can give this extract 3 times per week and watch the improved weight gain in your broilers continue to increase. As you consider to make this organic treat for your broiler birds, there is another video that I made on an organic supplement that only needs 2 ingredients to make it, and it will help your broilers also to gain more weight. To learn about it, make sure that you click the video on your screen.